welcome to my channel. Now I would like to tell you how to convert an old t-shirt into a jacket. Let's get started. Now you should prepare old t-shirt, medium size, then scissors to cut it, chalk, then a ruler to make a line. Now you should cut the body lower in this side and the upper part in this side. And the upper part. Now cut the body lower in the other side without cut the upper. Now open it. After and see like this one. In this part become back of jacket. And then if the jacket ready will look like this one. This is the body of the jacket. This is the hand of the jacket. Now, turn it out. Now, make a line fit into your size. Make a line, start from this like. After you make a line like this one, you should sew it in this line with a sewing machine. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can use sewing needle. Now, cut this side after you sew it. Now the jacket is ready to use. This is the jacket. If you want to look more beautiful, you can put button on this side. And thank you for watching. Please like and comment in this video. Goodbye.